Bleeding people to heal them. Is it ancient cure or modern madness? Let's dive into the wild world of bloodletting and let's see what it holds up. Hey friends, Dr. Bob here, ENT surgeon and your go-to doctor for medically accurate reactions. And today we'll be watching some oldest medical practices in human history, that is bloodletting and its cousin, leech therapy. So from medieval madness to migraine cures with scalp incisions, we are unpacking what's traditional, what's trauma, and what might actually work.
स्टाफ हमारा आप जैसों को दिखाने के लिए कितना पेशेंट हमने दुनिया में रिकॉर्ड नहीं है.
That's like so many blades. Totally not hygienic, not sterile, and there's a lot of chances of spreading infections because of those used and dirty blades.
पूरी दुनिया में ये एक जैसे कार सर्विसिंग होती है ना, ये बॉडी सर्विस सेंटर.
Body service center. Like seriously, you can just go to the hospital, dude. Body servicing with these old spare parts like blades that you're using.
ये वेनु से खून निकालते हैं. इंसान की बॉडी जो है अल्लाह रब्बुल आलमीन ने जो चलाई है वो ये हमारे जिस्म में जो खून चलाया है और इसका ट्रांसफार्मर जो है ये ब्रेन है ना.
Like, what? Like, seriously, what? Is there anything that he's making sense right now with what I just heard? Guys, just please comment on, like, if you can decode what that is.
Who is suffering from arthritis, sciatica and spondylitis and back pain and also migraine. This should come here for taking this treatment.
Wait, so for all those, this way of cutting your body can cure, is it? Well, arthritis is inflammation of one or more joints, and there can be stiffness at these joints, at which gets worse with age. And sciatica is the pain that runs along the sciatic nerve from one leg or both legs, which basically going from back downwards. And spondylitis is the inflammation of the spine, which can be related to the arthritis. And migraine is the unilateral headache that is there, which can be present with aura, nausea, vomiting.
Codex, folic acids, Sezo 500, Cellcol 500 and Atovex 90 mg. I have
Dude, wait, it's not methotrix, it should be methotrexate, and not Salpol, it is Calpol, which is the basic paracetamol that's used.
So last summer I came here and I did get a lot of relief, but you have to go through a lot of restriction of diet. After I'd gone back, I have relief of the pain for at least 3 months. Then again, you know, our delicacies when they make biryani and other good food and started eating them, and slowly again pain started worrying me, troubling me.
Well, it's not the food that's involved here, it's just probably the placebo effect that's there. And with days and days and weeks later of this treatment that's taken, the placebo effect weans off and the pain which was already there psychologically reduced, which comes back, and it's just getting back to what it normally is, which basically didn't cure.
The treatment, let's see, I will come back again, and they take only 40 rupees per day. That's nothing basically.
Yeah, 40 rupees, definitely nothing, but is it hygienic? Do you really want to risk all that for 40 rupees with that treatment? Come on, guys, please think.
He'll make several small cuts over the affected area and then use a cow's horn to create a vacuum and draw out the blood.
Oh my god, no, not the flies. Because it's an open wound that they're making, and the flies sit on it and lay eggs. It can cause infections, then it can proceed and then can even lead to maggots that's growing there and eating the flesh. Oh god, that's so bad.
After 20 minutes, he releases the pressure, scrapes it clean,
So basically, it's like an ancient way of doing cupping, but less hygienic.
Spits to create a new seal.
Like seriously, spit. Like for all the bacteria and all the microorganisms from the mouth, you just want to spit it onto the wound and spread it all over the body, right? It is just getting worse, this way of treating, guys.
All over again. The blood coagulates within minutes in the searing desert heat. To Muslims, all body parts are sacred, so burying the blood is more important than cleaning up the wound.
Are you serious right now? Because your wound, it has to be clean, it has to be in total septic precautions to be handled with regular dressings and or applying antibiotic ointments over it. Why do they care about where the blood goes? Because anyway the blood is out of your body. So giving importance to how the blood is handled post removing from the body, giving importance to that, and not giving importance to the wound and healing and taking care of it, it just shows their knowledge and how much they know about how to handle the wound. Because definitely that's going to take it to the wrong direction and it's going to get worse.
He's been ill for more than 10 years. Last year he almost died, but I cut him and he got better. Now I cut him every 2 to 3 weeks and he feels good.
After 300 treatments,
Ah, come on. Just look at that skin. It's like inflammation. It's like rashes and healed scars. Like, please don't cut him more. Like, let him live in peace without pain. Come on, please, just leave him. So why do people do bloodletting? So in some traditional systems like Unani, Siddhi or Chinese medicine, so bloodletting is seen in ways of releasing toxins, improve energy blood and clear the stagnant blood or the bad blood and improving the chi. So what are the benefits that these people claim? So some of them believe that they feel lighter, more clearer and more energized after bloodletting, and that's 99% likely to be because of a placebo effect and not because of a physiological benefit.
The method involves tying up a patient's legs or arms using a strip of cloth and making cuts to the skin with a razor blade. The blood then flows out, leaving patients often wincing in pain. The wound is then stemmed with a paste made from herbs.
So that ribbon acts like a tourniquet and blood just keeps oozing out. And on top of the wound, they are applying some medicated herbal paste, something, I don't know. And again, that's proposed to heal. I don't understand how. Very strange, right?
दुनिया में कोई फायदा नहीं होगा अल्लाह के हुक्म से इस इलाज से उसको फायदा अल्लाह करता है.
So you're saying there's no cure for this illness, but you provide the best cure? And please don't involve God into this. Like, I understand that you want to pray and you want to believe that you want to get better, but not to an extent of spiritual practitioner or faith healing, because there's no scientific evidence whatsoever to prove this point.
ये अंदर नहीं घुसता. आपका इंजेक्शन जो होता है ना, ये ऊपर से पंचिंग होता है और पंचिंग करने से पॉइजन नहीं फैलता और अंदर का जहर बाहर निकलता है और गैस निकलती है.
He's mixing concepts, literally. Let me say what I know in this. It's like injection is more like puncturing, because you're entering with that small gauge needles and you're puncturing, getting into the blood vessels and pulling the blood. But whereas those people are doing are literally making small incisions, cuts, like little cuts onto the skin, which is more than puncturing. And on top he's claiming it's not entering the skin. Dude, only if you breach the skin or make an opening, that's when you can bleed. Otherwise, it is an intact skin. And if there is bleeding that's happening, that's only when blood can come out and infections can go in. So what do you think about this treatment? Ancient healing or unnecessary harm? So drop your thoughts below and hit that like if you learned something new. And subscribe for more myth busting videos.
ये जो थेरेपी हो रही है इसे लीच थेरेपी बोलते हैं. पेशेंट के फेस पे पिंपल एक्नी है, उसी चीज़ में लीच थेरेपी जो है ब्लड प्यूरिफिकेशन का, सर्कुलेशन बेटर करने का काम करती है और उसके रिजल्ट्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल.
I don't think just purifying the blood can cure acne or pimples. because sometimes it can be just because of hormonal issues that you can get your acne or the pimples, be it your puberty or menstruation, pregnancy or menopause. It can all trigger acne. Or being the smallest thing of being stressful can increase the cortisol level and trigger acne. So this blood sucking treatment and purifying blood, I really don't see how it can cure the root cause.
ये जो थेरेपी हो रही है इसे फसद थेरेपी या ब्लड लेटिंग या वेनिसेक्शन बोला जाता है। इसमें बॉडी में जहाँ पर भी क्लॉट होता है ब्लड, उसको रिलीज करने के लिए पंचर करा जाता है।
Seriously. So to remove clot in your body, you do this. Suppose you have a clot in your vessels in your heart. Does this bloodletting can remove that? Or can it cure that?
ये जो पेशेंट है इनको माइग्रेन पेन है, उसी चीज़ को दूर करने के लिए हमने हेड को पंचर करा, वहाँ से ब्लड निकल रहा है। इसको थेरेपी होने के बाद पेन में जो भी इंस्टेंट रिलीफ मिलता है और रिलैक्सेशन और रिकवरी दोनों साथ में।
Come on, dude. See, migraine is mainly because of the vasodilatation which is happening in those blood vessels in your brain. And also there's release of neurotransmitters and stretching of the vessels. And this causes the pain. So how do you treat it? Well, what happens is that we give something to constrict those blood vessels and analgesics to reduce the pain. So bloodletting shows how medicine has evolved. What used to be standard in olden days is now turning out to be dangerous. So it just reminds us that tradition without evidence can lead to harm more than healing. So respecting culture is important, but not at the cost of your life where you're getting infections. So real medicine is safe, it's sterile, it's tested. So before you pick up a blade or a leech, please pick up a book, or even the least you can do is talk to a doctor. So that's all for today, my friends. I hope you guys liked today's episode of reacting to bloodletting and the leech therapy. And if you guys want me to react to other insane, crazy, mind-blowing videos, do let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to do it for you guys. So as always, you guys take care, stay safe. This is Dr. Bob signing on.